Someone tell her to shut up.
Today, my play button. Look, I didn't know I would be this excited, but I'm so.
I like cash from my head to my ass. Do the dash and you make it go fast.
This is her. I already unboxed it. I couldn't wait.
Period.
Unboxing video. Let's pretend I'm unboxing it again. This is my play button. She's in here. Let's take her out for the first time.
Indian soap operas be like.
This is her. She's so beautiful, I could cry. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Thank you to the Academy for this award. I am so grateful to each and every one of you in the audience today. To all of you at home, thank you so much for this award. Thank you for nominating me for this award.
You love my confidence and that's what you like. If you think I'm feeling flag, bitch, come and feel me.
Ooh, oh my god. Oh my god, she's so beautiful. You are beautiful, no matter what they say. Words can bring you down. Why are you looking at me like that? Are we about to kiss?
Yes, they are.
Stop looking. I love you forever. This is my play button. Oh, this is my play button. You guys, this means so much to me. The haters said I couldn't do it. I tried for 4 years. The haters said I couldn't do it.
You're not going to be YouTube famous.
This is exactly what I've been waiting for. This is exactly, I don't mean to sound like Cat Williams, but this is exactly what I've been waiting
for.
Even my friends didn't believe in me. My mom didn't believe I could get 100K. Like literally, my mom would be like, what are you doing? And I'm like, I'm editing video. And she would go, this is like, mind you, 3 years later. She'd be like, you're still doing that YouTube stuff? Because like, I wasn't growing. I was growing at like 1 subscriber every 3 months. And here we are. Next up, 1 million.
Period poo.
Period.
His baby mother is my groupie. We got the club going up.
My baby, you were so beautiful. You were so I love you forever. I'm going to put her in the bed. Hold up. Bye bitch. I'm kidding, I love you, Melody. But for now, she deserves it. Right here, let's put a little blankie on. Sorry, Melody. Blur her ass out. Yes, let's tuck her in. Good night, sweet child. Sleep well. Melody can guard her up here. Yes. They be in bed together. I'm so happy. Thank you so much.
Mi hada madrina dijo que sí. Este de aquí me hizo llorar. Este otro me dice marica. Este otro de mí piensa mal. Esto es lo que hago cuando me chingan. Voy a encerrarlos bajo la tierra. Nadie va a comer y de hambre morirán. Madre, quiero saber en verdad quién soy yo. Y sí, tal vez tengo un síndrome. Que alguien traiga mis pelucas verdes. Ten medicamento rom.